Okay, hello. Welcome to my channel again. Ngasi ako na khana gadawri ba topic sina koi CSAT ki, okay? CSAT hai padi IS ki question paper koi khana chena tawbani. IS ki question paper sida IT questions the CSAT hangi je only qualifying nature ni IT sida moina hangi je 50 ma quant gi la quant and reasoning the remaining 30 duna English tagi hangi handak chahiye na, right? So here I am discussing about 2020, okay? 2020 की IS पेपर ngarang tawgiba paper anyway. So sigi maramda koi khara huje hapetang nei na ri yengsi kari kamba question hagma and then kamaina hot ka dege do now. So let's start with the question how raji a man walks down the back side of his house. Back side magi yum du gi maning da challe habni kya 25 meter, right? Now yum gi maning na trabang challe hab che koi na eta haiba adi back side to karom da le je ko haiba ngam ngam mo because ako da kai piram de ako yum da karom do ole je haiba ngam de. So maning challe habam dikhange 25 meter adagi mu ka tawre and then turns right amu leire and 50 meter amu challe 50 meter challe right leiraga and then amu left challe left the turn tawre aduga 25 meter challe. Adadi now the question is magi direction starting point degi magi me ka hujik ma kai tai legi hamni anyway yum do krai the olen pyramid yum his house faces on the east, right? Now what direction kan north south east west, right? North south east west haibani na koina adu tadi magi yum je kai de le ma yum se le aduga ma som do olamni na yung question na back side karom nahi back side thi some opposite side to tadi ma hoji kya chale according to the question 25 meter, right? And then 25 meter chala matung amu kai turns to the right si chala matung the right kya right chale have na right chale have atadi to right side mai karom the ogini from this side, right? So kya amu chala ba 50 meter chale have and then turns amu kai da turn to have left my left adi krom do ni somna kan left amu chale do kya chale ba 25 meter, right? So sidani goma see this is his house, right? And this side is east yoko, so this side is north south and this is actually west. Ito ma hoji sida leire, okay? Ma hoji kai leire sida leire adadi yo ma hoji direction do house the yang my south magi direction je kom the northwest, so the answer is northwest, right? So northwest tagane, right? Next question number 2 da is statement ani pyramid aduga conclusion lagodab, okay? Statement ani pyramid aduga conclusion lagodab. So let's see ne, okay? First yung ma all the numbers are all the numbers are divisible 2 number kuding mak kai ni yen be haiba 2 ni yen be haiba 2 ni yen be haiba artadi kai no it's like 2 4 6 so and so on. All the numbers are divisible by 3 number kuding mak kai 3 ni yen be. Now statement is C pyramid and then our conclusion da kai all the numbers are divisible by 6 yo adadi number kuding mak do 6 na yen be ani adadi yeng si ko 2 na su yen be haiba 3 na su yen be haiba kai na su yen be ani 6 na su yen be ani. So this statement is correct, right? And conclusion number 2 all the numbers are divisible by 4 number kuding mak 4 na yen be ani chunggadra, this is wrong sidi yaroi ko, right? Number kuding mak kai na 4 na yen be ani haiba leite, okay? Because yung ne 2 na su yen be haiba 3 na su yen be haiba number ade 18 se 2 na su yen be 3 na su yen be but 4 na yen be haiba yade. So conclusion 2 is wrong, only conclusion 1 is follows, so only conclusion 1 is correct, right? Okay, aina sigi laure ibu question paper je angang amde lorok ko ne duna ma su khotlam me du mai khot pakuding mak se loi chumne have laite, so only conclusion 1, okay? Right, next direct question again lorok ko ne bu duna ma sidi kano gi explain nam de lorok ko ne, so ma ji khoti ko chala me du bu ma ji so me am yaw ma zudum yawrani, okay? Anyway sendok minutes all cats are is the muyang syllogism question all cats are dogs cats are dogs cats ni ka all cats are dogs means dogs gi manung da lairane, right? All cats are dogs. Now all cats are black. all cats are black. So all cats are black. So cat khudingmak kai oigana haba black oigana haba. So let's say this is black. Now conclusion, the all dogs are black. Dog khudingmak black oigani. So dog to khudingmak black oigani. Dog sigi mapa lai si manu oigani and oibe oidabe overlapping oitaragadi okay. Otherwise so we are not sure about this. So see maybe ni ko. Maybe so we are not going to take this. Adagi some dogs are not black. Dog khara di black oidi. Asisu yadi maybe, right? So so maybe so what is the correct answer? Then logically follows I bani karambo igna neither 1 nor 2, right? 1 ga 2 ga anima follow on the tower. Next question number 4. See the reasoning question. It's a very like I think it's a very easy question where I'm going to call it. Anyway, see here what it says. Consider the following sequence of numbers, right? Number kara pyramid, sequence kara pyramid, and you have to count the number. Second, how many odd numbers are followed by odd numbers? Odd numbers followed by the odd number am lai re. Adu matung da kai legada odd number am legada. Sugumba pair kya legada hai bani, right? So ye ngasin odd number am odd numbers da lai re 5 am lai re 5 am lai re. So here we have 1. Okay, 1. The 1 in matung da si kai lai 4 si dia koi consider tor. Then adu matung da kai lai 7 and 3. This one we will take, right? So ani sure ko. Now adagi muk 3 gi matung da kaya lai 3 gi matung da how much? Okay, yang si ko muka. So 7 gi matung da 3 lai re. Then 3 matung da muka 9 like this is also we will count, right? 3 9 has odd number ni, 3 is odd number ni. Adu matung 9 matung da 8 lai re count or then kana like 5 and 7. This also we will count. 7 matung da 2 lai re count or. So odd number and cheese ko odd number. Yeah. 3 and 1. We have 1 odd number. Adu amu yang si 1 ga muk 5 ka, right? 1 and 5 si so mulai re, right? Then 8 6 it's okay. Yeah, law right. 3 and 8 is law right. 5 and 2 law right. So and so on. 3 and 4 law right. 9 and 6 also law. So kya lai 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So so the correct one is option number B, 6th card. Next question. A is 16 from the left end of a row of boys, right? A is a kya ne hai is a 16 from the left end, right? Left gi 16. So my row kar lai reka. A is a kya ne hai 16, right? Maaj 16 sub the lai hai. A is left gi. And B is 18 from the right end. V is na 18 sub the lai. V is kai the lai no koi khang de, but we will say that som the gi lapo matam da maaj 18 the lai. Anyway. And G is 11 from A towards right. A dagi trama thoi chala kanda kya lai hai ba G lai hai ba right. So A is na 16 ni adi G soy lai re. G 11. That means A is left 11 16 subani stagi mo 11 tinantar G di left gi chatpada kya lai G place it is from 27. Hai di 16 plus 11 taune 11 from left 5 ni, right? So G gi place 27 from left. Now amuk yung and third from B towards the right end hai. Third from B towards the right end. B dagi kya sakada ahum chakada karom na kanda right end. Adu tadi B se la yagadra yaro. B kai ko B se la itara di right end chat pa sumai chat to ni som the la ro idna ko. Adu na B se karom de lai kani B se B should be B से G की left लाई बता रहे हैं, right? B से G की left line. So V is somewhere here. So V, right? Okay. So V is somewhere here. अदुग मबानी की मरकते लाई बगैप से ना क्या नो योंका and साइज जो G से B दगी क्या चले है बा third चले है B दगी third है बदी यों 1 2 3, right? योंका B G से B dagi third. Okay, B ki position kya no ko from the right hand it was 18. right? G की position right hand खांगन सो 18 ले रहे 17 16 15 G की position जे from the right hand क्या तारनी 15 तार is it okay 15 right yung ko 15 taftan 3 happen 3 onwards happen 1 2 3 right yare ko sila this is G right now adu ta di hoje hangi je kai no now adu pare hoje hangi jina nupa kya no haibuni okay G gi right hand gi kya lai 15 lai G je left gi kya no ta from left hand what is the place of G G place left hand gi kya no 27 right G is sila reko so far ako na so yes ata da ko na uji khangi je kan G have amal lai re magi place left gi la ko kan 27 ni right gi la ko kan 15 ni now adu ta di total kya hoega the gap so what will be the total will be nothing but 27 plus 15 minus 1 ama khai to kata so the answer is 41 so the correct answer is going to be this right so this is not the correct answer the correct answer is going to be this one 41 is the correct answer next statement ahum birame ahum jigi matung question ana pa question an para kan yung question statement 1 statement 2 statement 3 pirame question na hang is na kano who among this is the youngest kwa wa do karam no na hang mane right okay statement number 1 C is younger than D but older than AB dagi D C is na hele but C happen so now adu ta di yung A B C D moi mong sida youngest karam no khang bang ngam di A or B but we are not sure karam no khang bang de okay so statement 1 is not sufficient statement number 2 D is the what the statement 1 is not sufficient or हमने सीजर लाल right correct तो कलवा now statement number 2 the क्या है D is the oldest statement number 2 ना है D is ना ख्वाई दे कि oldest होएगा ना हमने आते की वा खंग दे statement number this is statement number 1 this is statement number 2 so D दे की जो ना ngau youngest पुथोक पर गम गुदरा ngam so statement number 2 is also not sufficient to answer the question statement number 3 the kya A is older than B statement number 3 is na A is na B the older hoy hai to statement number 3 the gi nang hai bang ngodra ngam the karam ba punjan tara kadi if we combine which statement then we can say the youngest one I think statement 1 and statement number 3 je pun tara kadi you can answer the question right aduna option number D is the correct answer right okay ko C ani je pulla kanda you can answer that B is the youngest one okay next question how many integers are there between 1 and 100 which have 4 as a digit but not divisible by 4 1 then 100 fogta 4 yauba number aduga 4 na di yen by yaroi to not divisible by 4 adu tadi 1 then 100 put 4 na okay 4 yauba yen be ada bhai tar ga diyo 1 then 10 bukta 4 like but 4 se it's divisible ya amna koi si counter then 11 to 20 ki manung da kya lai 14 lai this one is okay right see ma koi to matang sum easy ko 14 and then we have 24 si low roy because it's divisible by 4 then 34 it's okay right then 34 matung da 40 low ya de 41 not divisible by 4 okay we have to take 41 42 also 43 yes 44 too we cannot take 45 also we will take 46 also we will take 47 we will take and then 48 too right 49 we will take and then 50 51 52 53 54 we will take how about 64 see yeah we will not take because it is divisible by 4 na yen be avani na 74 yes okay right? And then we have 84 we will not take, last 94 we will take, right? I hope so. These are the numbers, machine numbers. Okay, the number machine kya sure not division 4 yauba adubu divisible 4 na yen ba da ba. Okay, so what are the number count are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So we have total 12. So the correct answer is 12. Anyway, land we have 41 42 43 46 47 48, yeah, 49 50 54, yeah, there 64 also divisible by 4. Okay, 74 and 94, right? Okay, so the answer is 12. Next one. X, Y, Z in a volume. So the question passes. X, Y are the volumes, M and are the masses, right? So the height is X, Y is in a kind of X in a volume. P, this X is volume of P, Y is volume of Q. Similar, M and N, M is in a kind of masses of P and the masses of Q, right? Okay, now condition number pyramid, each side of Q is 2 times of P. Cube kiniko. This is P and Q are cubes, right? Now amu see question, the each side of Q is 2 times that of P. Q की side to na A की side, P की side की 2 times हो यार ना cube तो कोई P दो करम cube लो उसी के P दो, let's say P cube is like is 1 1 1 large. This is, let's say, P 1 1 1, right? I thought the Q will be how much? Q will be 2 2 2 loy sang, right? Okay, now I thought what is X? X will be 1 cube, Y will be 2 cube. I will the X to 1 tare, Y is volume do n tare, right? Adagi masses of Q is 2 times of P. So हमारे mass to masses of, and the mass of Q is 2 times of, okay, have a mass of Q is 2 times of P. Q की mass to na P की दगी अनि वही है ताकि mass तो कोई ना mass लोगों मतम दा Q है P1 लोग ताकि Q will be 2 लोग ये, right? Now have after the Q की masses have the this will be M and this will be N, right? यार को कोई चीज़ तुम खोंगे, right? So कोई M जो 1 लो N 2 लो भी है, U दो ले रहे B पुट हुआ है. So let's find out what is U. U दो क्या था रे? M by Xi. So M दो कोई ना 1 लो. What is X? X is 1. So 1. U put है. Then V put. What is V? N by Y. What is N? N is 2. Y is 8. Right? So the tadi kab thana ro 4. How ji kai put हुआ है? So what we have to find? ये से करो तadi. So जब कोई U put होकर क्या था 1 by 1 1. V तो क्या था 1 by 4. Right? So U is 1. V is 1 by 4. अगर third D हो B से U by B क्या था 1 divided by 1 by 4. That means multiply तोता रख दी. What we get? Multiply तोता रख दी. 4 is to 1. I B na 1 होए मतलब the U na 4 होए है, right? That U should be how many times? U should be 4 times of V. So the correct answer is option number A. So U will be 4 times of B. Okay, next one. Here we have the average age of teacher and the 3 student is 20 years, right? So teacher हम ले रहे हैं, teacher and 3 student, right? And मोगी average तो 20 ताई है, अपने sum दो क्या तारनी, it will be 3 ना multiply तारनी sum दो, right? aduga all the three ages are all the three students are of same age I mean teacher plus adi x plus x plus x hai tar moi hum loi mane hai ramni adi se lag to se no teacher plus 3x kya tar 60 tar. This is given, and the difference between the age of the teacher and each student is 20 years. adi teacher do ne and each of the x to student adu kya ta hai 20 ta hai, right? So we have this. Now the question is what is the age of the teacher. So t butho hai bani, so t butho kya ta din 1 ga 2 ga ani se add to salo. Here you add this two equation. If you add this two equations, so we will get 2x is equal to 80, right? So that means x is 40. X 40 ta ramni na equation number 2 the put taro, so 40 plus this, how much is that? I'm sorry, average age of teacher and 3 students is 20 is 60, right? And okay, and the difference between the age of the teacher and his student is 20 years. Yeah, t minus s is 20. Oh, now yeah, it's the I know so like so here she just saw it. Here so t mangan ga ta minus ta go not plus, so it will be 4x equal to 60 minus 20 is 40, right? See ni kitang yang hold up the so so x is now how much 10. So equation 2 the put our x ki value se put from 2 what is t value is 10 at 30, so 30 is the correct answer. Okay, so 30 is the correct answer. Next question. A person bought a car and sold it at 3 lakh rupees and he incurred a loss of how much? He incurred a loss of 20% loss. I mean, so what is loss? 20% 20% I have to 20% means 1/5. I did 20/100 is 1/5. So what is this? This is your cost price and this is your loss. Ay tadi yang nang cost price 5 or matamda, what will be your selling price now? 1 or nang selling price no 4 tar ne selling price will be 4 because 1 loss or right, minus 1 thousand. Now according to the question ma solve matamda kya da solve 3 lakh. That means this 4, see 4 se kya ka mana to this 4 is equal to how much? 3 lakhs. 4 jana 3 lakhs ka mana re, right? Aduna question da is how much did he spend to buy the car? The cost price 5 ki value but 1. So 4 is equal to 3 lakhs. 4 is equal to 3 lakhs. So 1 is equal to how much lakh? How much? 75,000. Now I'm going to put in a kanagi 5 ki 1 5 ko 5 minutes multiply to 5 minutes multiply to how much? 37500. So the correct answer is option number D. So D is the correct answer. Okay, right. See book the liram gine na khali. Okay, next amu yang see. Here we have a statement. Statement number 3. R is greater than P as well as Q. S is not the largest one. Now statement number 1 how do you again? R is greater than P and Q the gidi kanana here have R ne here have. So this is your statement number 1. Statement number 2 na kya hai? Statement number 2 na S is not the largest one, right? S largest one or the S can be right. S ki position se kya S ki position se to 1 2 3, right? If I arrange them in increasing order, right? 1 2 let's say 3 and 4. So S then we are the name. Okay, statement number 2 nice. Now question is among the 4 members which one is the largest? So largest to karam bano putho hai. Largest karam bano putho ke height di karam statement na khang be. S is largest yung statement number 1 A1 and 2. 1 katana hai bang ambra ngamde. So statement 1 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. She lal statement 1 katana hai bang ngamde. Statement statement number 2 S2 alone is sufficient to answer. S1 je piran ro S2 khatang da gi koi karam bana largest ne haiba ngam tra ngam moi S no oi de haiba wani so the kana anybody can go, right? I only S2 khata khana duni ko S1 khana da. Now third option the can S1 and S2 together haiba S1 and S2 combine tawraga di answer to bai hai. Can we combine? If you combine this is two statement combine tawtaraga di yung P Q de kana ne chaw hai R chaw hai. And then S2 nong ke S se kai the oi de ba si quite highest oi de third D quite chaw je kana oi ni R. So combine tawrakanda answer do P bangame, right? So this is the correct answer, correct option, right? Next statement number data sufficiency ni S the n is a prime number, n is a prime number ne hai the n leaves the remainder of 1 when divided by 4. The 4 divided to the remainder 1 tai hai. Okay, now question answer to n is a natural number between 10 and 20, then what is n? So 10 then 20 booking mark the lai hai n. So n can be starting from 11 up to 19, right? Now question is which of the following is correct in respect to the above statement and the question? Like that karamba option sin taraga di n gi value high bang amudagi. So when a khangbo am dilai n je kanai marak to lai haba 11 daina 19 ba. Now statement number 1 is n is a prime number. N is a prime number ni. Statement 1 gi matung n je kai oi be 11 oi be prime number 13 lai 11 daina 19 bhokta lai 13 lai 15 16 17 also and 19. So these are the prime number. So nang n je kya no value high bang amudra ngam. So S1 is not sufficient to answer the question. How about the statement number 2? Statement number 2 na is n leaves the remainder of 1 when divided by 2. Statement number 2 na is the statement number 1 yaw da taraga di n je kai oi be haba 4 ni yen ma tam da remainder 1 oi ha. So it can be 13, it can be 17. Statement number 2 they khang is only n can be 13 or 17, right? Remainder 1 oi ha bani. Okay. Now that is statement number 2 they have ngamodra ngamaro ko adagi mu statement 1 and 2 punjil lach. Statement 1 and 2 punjil lagasu can you combine? If you combine these two, right? So ani je combine to matam su 13 and 17 are common too. So since high bang. So the correct answer is D. S1 and S2 together are not sufficient to answer the question. Statement ani je pull about answer to ba ngamaro. Next one more data sufficiency question, right? Question hane to parasi what are the two numbers I mean number ani do putwa. Statement number 1 hai je kya no statement number 1 hai je x and y ko bom lai so that mawani ke product do kya ta hai 21. So 21 ta hai se kya oi pe. So it can be like 1 and 21 and then 3 and 7, right? 7 and 3 x, right? Y and then atopa kai lai and then 21 and 1, right? Anything else? Stay like tramal ko. Statement 1 matung na sila. How about statement number 2? The sum is 10. Sum je 10 oi hai bani. Sum 10 oi hai ba after the x plus y do kya oi hai ba 10 oi. X plus y 10 oi be aba hai di so many things we have 19, right? 192 so 19 am like na tra 1928, right? 37 so on and so on, right? Then 46 am like then 55. So okay, so ma'am to combine to now yes statement alone one is sufficient to answer the question. I see one je ka khagala kanda akoina number do hai bang am gadara hai bani. No, there are so many options to one we are statement number 2 khakna so hai ba yar. Now combine the one is if you combine this statement adi puri naraga 21 this naraga 10. So what are the numbers? Adi kai lai 3 ga 7 ga oi bi ai na cha 3 ga 7 adi puri naraga 21 ta ta wa. So the numbers are 3 and 7 and hai bang amina because 3 ga 7 ko tar ga 3 into 7 21 3 plus 7 is 21. So this one is the correct. So S1 and S2 together adi ani marks together the car oi gane to option number C is the correct answer. Next sidi yam live question sidi kanam angang masam nu tawrani, right? Sigi cross mark la using the kai hap taraga di answer je tagada ke happen. Sidi kam tawni ai lete, so you start putting the values. Option number A is lower things. So 2 ai taraga si 2 lani plus kya lani 12 lani, then 52 lani, then 22 lani, then 21 lani, then equal to 122. Is it correct? So check tawro first of all. 2 plus 1 is 3, 5, 5, 7, and 9. This is wrong, right? So option number 1 is wrong. So how about 3? 3 with the kya, so 3 with the 3 plus 13 plus 53 plus 33 plus 31 equal to 133. Just add it. 3 plus 3 is 16, 56, 56 to 59, 89, 92, 92, and then 92 and 31. 3. Just wait. Just check it, no? 16. 16, 56, 59, 59 to 89, 89, 92, 92, 102, 102, and 123. Okay, if I add this, right, 53, 33, okay, 12 and 13, right? 6, 9, 6, 9, and 12, and yeah, 33. Okay, correct. 133. So option number 3 is the correct answer, right? Anyway, siniman is the hangish, right? As it yet matungda tabara and yengo I beg one, right? Okay, so option number B. I did 3 where I can't see the answer, satisfied tower. Next, it's a very interesting question, this one. I hope everybody will have a problem regarding this. Koi istikani kirlai have any mais amana kya 7 foot amana you have 3.25, right? Now question is the minimum length that you can measure. Nang na measure to be able length to karam anu hai kaya oigadagi have asi stick ani se sinaraka. Now somebody apply LCM, somebody apply ACF, right? Adubu yengs logics. Yeah, 3.25 sina ay makada yelak taraga di somewhere here. Staying si book se kya hoy ba 3.25. So I can mark this one. Adagi mo mathak dagi mo wala gadi mo sta kya line 3.25, right? To 3.25 and 3.25 anywhere di how much gone 6.5 to sine 6.5 adi marak kisi da kya le hawi marak kisi kya le. So what is this length? This length will be 7.5 minus 6.5, that is 1 feet. So see 1 feet. So I can mark this one, no? So this is 1 feet. So the correct answer is going to be 1 feet, right? Anyway, next. A mathematical operation is applied on numbers. Okay, number 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32, so on and so on. So the operation applied to the results in a sequence prime number tai adu itadi man hangize sige next number do kaya oigada. So some operation applied to tare adu duga prime number ta antare yam live question ngaptani ko. Anyway, 14 gi naknaba prime number haise karam 14 gi naknaba prime number haise 11 amalai 13 amalai, right? So I 13 dagi logs 14 I 13 da han ga adi ketone I -1 ta 13. Okay, like the same rule apply to order sikho -1 to kya aata hai 17. This is also prime number. I 13 है लोग से लगा दो -1 तो क्या आता है 19 -1 तो 23 prime number 29 -1 तो what will be this 31. These are all prime numbers, right? आई तादी कोई sequence है follow तो उड़ी ना तो तादी rule तो तादी सी next prime number. So 31 की मतुंग the next prime number is how much? 39 की मतुंग the prime number तो 32 ना थे 33 is not 34 or not 35 36 30 how much 7, right? Adu still is na kya hoga, it should be one more, 38. So 38 should be the correct answer. So C machon. Okay, so 38 is going to be the correct answer. Udraba. Okay, she may have the 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32. So then a minus 1, 1 kaido kanda. I'll be getting all the prime numbers, right? 20, 29, 37. So it's the next prime number is going to be 30. So 20 and 30. 37 oibanina. This will be one more, so 38. So 38 should be the answer I have. Next, it's a very interesting question again. Ako book book page mayam page mayam je one day hore. Aduduga aina page ama setat kare, right? Page ama setat kita. Suppose nang page number do 5 setat kita ragadi 6 yang setalan ya di maning mang ne set to right? Page number 5 and page number 6 to 5 and 6 miss turn, right? Adagi nang kay page number 10 logok tar 10 and 11 chat kini, right? So this very much logic we understand, right? Now adagi yung page number mayam into 8 tar matunda 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n hairasi n pages lai tar kadi ma kya aata hai ba something value matarani to 1 plus n se kya aata hai ko na khangi n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now page ani lawthokre page ani lawthokate amana x hoita di amana kaya ni x plus 1 page hoitune si lawthokra ba matungda, right? Sum do kya aata hai ba remaining sum is 195. Aita di ako kya hai 195 plus x lawthok page to ne, and then magi next page to lawthokra kanda it should be kya tawam to, it should be sum of some multiple, the sum of the natural number tawam to. Now question the hangi saduni adi karam page no missing or is happening. So if you take by the option, right? Yeah, let's say option number 1 a 5 and 6 hoita ragadi the x to 5 and 1 is 5 or then 6 or option number A is low target. If you take the option number A, 195 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6, right? I have the 11 11 8 of salo kya aata hai 6 and 206. So C pull up se 206 tha, right? So 206 is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, right? So sugumba number like adra, or this is nothing but 412 is equal to n into n plus 1, right? So thangnaba number ani purina kanda kya tagadaba 412 taba number legadra. No, this is not C number right? Adudana let's go to the next option, right? So conceptually let me write this one, so, in order to avoid the confusion. So koi na hujik lai is kem natte logic se khangadi yam lai. So koi na hujik lai logic se kem natte nangi 195 to ne plus let's say the option 7 and 8 hoita di kya tani 7 and 8 is how much 15 tare ko 7 plus 8 to say it should be si tagadra yeng bai wa patan 195 plus 15 8 tara di kya tare 210 du maka 2 na pure di 420 is equal to n into n plus 1 si tagadra. So thangdaba number ani purinaga 420 si di lai na. So you can take n equal to 20 at the n plus 1 di amana kya tani 21 into 21 to kan 420 tadra. So the correct answer is option number B, 7 and 8 as you will. Next question. Okay, should I go na kano hapagi one, right? Here we have to arrange pattern format. Here we see the total number of letter kya lai 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20 letters ni 20 letters hoita dimagi combination se kya kya hoy bhai 2 hoy bhi aaye 4 hoy bhi aaye 5 hoy bhi aaye 10 hoy bhi aaye, right or 20, but anyways 5 tagi hora 10 ga ju yam chawang so 5 ta ko yeng si 1 2 3 4 5 mga ta ko tala yeng si ko cinema le a b 5 no tung the b ahang ba b c b ahang ba d c d d c d c d d c d CD matungda kai le hori 1 2 3 1 2 3 then matungda D E D D D. Okay, chumdi chume ko AB 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 B angba B C B, right? Then angba 1 DC 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 and DC stama hindalega. Right now, see pattern si yang si. Aku ni pattern apa ke? Ya, apa yang si tadi yang si ko AB 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 AB. Itu tadi kayak apa ya? Ini apa salah yang si, right? Itu tadi sudah kayak lakukan ni B BC 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 and B. No issue with that, right? Adu matungda kai hap mai siong A lakra matungda B la matungda kai lakna C CD CD C, right? Then DE, so it will be DE. So option number C is the correct format, correct pattern. 19. Okay, number khara lai 4 digit number. See 4 digit number ne hai. Let's say we have A3BC and DE2F, right? So 4 digit numbers. Each letter represents different, right? Different wagata ba aduga moi number se kya wagata ba A B C D whatever. This should be greater than 3. 3 gi makha wa the 1 2 we cannot take. So moi log ge log 4 5 log tar 6 up to 9 bo log ye. And then moi gi sum se kya ta hai ba 2 0 9 and 1 5. Now the question is, what is the difference between the values of A and D? So A ka D ka mark to value difference to kya hoga hai, right? Now yes, first of all C ka F ka tinna ka 2 ta ba se masing ani tinna ka 2 ta ba C ka F ka tinna ka 2 ta ba se 0 and 2 hoi bi, right? And then ke hoi bi 3 ka 9 ko hoi bi. Okay, we can take 3 and 9, right? Ade ke lo bi. Then 4 and 8 also we can take. 6 and 6 and 6 6 and 6 low by because they should represent different letter. Adaga 0 ka 2 ka su kai do by low by question the haina me it should be greater than 3. Aduna 3 9 and 4 8, but 3 ka 9 ka low by because numbers are all different. I mean, so 3 is already here, so we cannot take 3 and 9 also, right? 3 to C F can mark the 3 low to yara because question says this represents number greater than 3 happening. 3 is low by so anisi C F ka kya hoga ni 4 and 8 hoga ni, or 8 and 4 or 4 and 8, right? So the 1 is kya ta 12. So we have a carry over 1 hoga ni 3. So B will be how much? B will be now 7, right? B ki matlab kya e by are 7 e by are, right? So B is going to be 7, right? 7 hoga ni ho ji yengu. The carry over again, we have a carry over 3. Now 4 plus this is, so E is going to be 5, right? E is going to be 5 9. Now E ka D ka tinsinara kya ta hai ba 15 ta hai. So E ka D ka tinsinara ka, right? So what we have left is that hoji kai kya ta hai ba E ka D ka tinsinara ka 15 ta halwa. So E ka D ka tinsinara ka 15 ta halwa hai. See kya kya hoga 9 and 6 amaya, but 9 and 6 koi low raba low 3. 8 and 7 low by, but 8 and 7 7 ka 8 ka already here, so we cannot take. So the only possible option is 6 and 9. 6 ka 9 adu tadi mabani ki makta difference so kya ta ni, it should be 3. So that's also correct. Okay, next question, data sufficiency again. Question da hai si onko S1 gi matung in higher say there are not more than 2 figures on any pages of 51 pages 51 pages like a book to the page amada kya line hai page amada digit ani de gi hai na the first second. So this digit kya digit 1 or 2 so my some torture can happen, right? Okay, statement number 2, there is at least one figure on every page. Ama isna yam drap the amadi digit amadi always yaw gonna have. So first page the minimum the amadi compulsory. Okay, ama yaudabdi yade zero as yade digit amadi compulsory yaudang hai. Now if you combine adu tadi yengasi combine the statement to answer to PB or amakatana PB range. Are there more than 100 figures in the book? Figures may am figure do book to the 100 tagi henna yagodra yarodra is kangba namgodra si. Anyway, both S1 and S2 are sufficient to answer the question, but S1 the S2 ka nije punjan naraga nang answer to bong namgodra ngamoy ko. Because I know S2 the S2 na haisna keno L is amadi yaw so amam lo yaw every pages yawtar every page tamang yawtar gati total figure to kya yaw only 51. S2 is also satisfied, S1 is also satisfied. So 100 dagi oibang ngamgodra ngamoydra. Can you answer? See my case again the 2 lo hentara gati 2 hentara gati it is greater than 100 so less than 100. There are some fluctuation we cannot decide to be right. What should be the answer? S1 and S2 together mawani punjil lagazu nangi keno answer to bang question. Okay, that's it, right.